Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna tell you about why goal is very important to improve your English. Yes, goal. Actually, goal. We know that in every aspect we have a goal. Okay, in life, like whatever if we wanted to improve our fitness, then also we have to make a goal. We know it. If we want financial freedom, then also we need to make a goal. Same way, if we don't make a goal for English improvement, it cannot happen. Yes, it is as simple as that. See, like I know that everybody has work. Yes, everybody nowadays is very busy, and what happened that we don't get time to read stuff or many other thing. Like if we want to improve our English, maybe you think that yes, I don't have time. How can I do it? You can do it, but you must have to have a goal for that. Yes, so you have a specific goal actually, that yes, after 6 months my English level will be this much or that much. So for that you need to have a specific plan in your hand, that this is my plan. You need to have a diary where you have written that yes, every single day I will do this thing. I will write something. I will watch something. I will listen something. I will speak to somebody. I will do various things to improve my English. Yes, you should have to do it, or else forget to improve your English. I'm saying that forget, because it's completely different language. It seems very easy. Yes, it's anybody can speak, but actually it is not. When you will go to the depth, when you will understand the grammar rule, at first it would be you would think yes, quite easy, but when you go to the depth, then you will understand it's how tough it is. And you know about vocabulary. Yes, it's not that easy to memorize vocabulary. Quite easily you cannot do it, because vocabulary, the words which is necessary to speak in front or in corporate or somewhere where you are going to do jobs or business, any kind of, there you must have to use proper words. If somebody is asking you some question, they are asking you, you don't know the meaning, then probably you wouldn't be able to crack the deal or get the job. So for that I am saying that please have a goal, a specific goal. Make a plan, that foolproof plan, that after 6 months at least I can communicate with somebody in English. No need to be very fancy words you have to use. No, not like that. So just think that yes, 6 months my level will be that much, and then after that you decide where you want to take your English, because it's a lifelong journey. Whatever you learn, whatever, like if you sing or something you are doing, if you do one day, then or 2 months you have done playing football, 2 months you played, then after that you don't play, then definitely you will forget everything. Same way, at least for 6 months to 1 year, if you are very serious about to learn the English, at least 6 months to 1 year you have to be dedicated and you have to be disciplined to improve your English. So if you like the video, then do give a thumbs up, and thank you very much for watching my videos. Thank you very much.